Hello, my name is Ashley. Today we're going to do another beautiful design and very simple. We're going to start. All right, now I'm going to show you how simple and how easy it's going to be. Of course, over here we have a design that we've done this, which it calls the beehive. This design. We're going to do almost like that, but without any little seeds. And this design, I want to tell you that when you get bigger your lace, because it's a lot of work and like you need a lot of patience, like you see, what it is you like, sometimes you like to get faster and you want to do simple design. And this is one of them, which I have other needle laces which I've done, but I cannot find where it is, where I put it. Maybe I gave it present to somebody, I'm not sure, families. Let me show you this simple and beautiful design. Anybody can do it, this design. All right, now while we're starting, again, we put our thread in the back, as always, usual. We put the thread and we go. The top part will be the beginning, it will be on top of the needle, and the back part, you'll just take it just like this. And always goes, of course, in the middle. Now we're going to jump here. This is one of my, when I get sometimes lazy and it gets bigger and bigger, you need to have lots of patience to finish it. You can't wait. Sometimes you say, this will be the last design and I'm going to finish it. So sometimes I do this, like I cheat myself, but still it's a design and it does very beautiful job. So when you start and while you are working, you have a lot of course, small seeds like this. After when you do the first line of the small seeds, you will jump one seed yes, one seed no, one seed yes, one seed no. Like when you are doing it, like I said, those things, I call them seeds. So always, every time I finish my needle laces, I do seeds all around, and that's how I do it. So it separates the design from another, just like soldiers when I do it. So now pretend that I already doing on this one. Like you see here, I already did, but I did another design. But today I'm just showing you simplest design, which it will be this. So every bridge that you go, you're gonna make it bigger like this. And you will do it exactly in the middle. But automatically comes in the middle, of course, when you are doing it. So this is the way you have to do it. This is the most simple design and it will be very, very beautiful. Now, when you are doing your needle lace from the beginning, now, like I said, this is a heavy thread, bigger thread, and it is a little bit way too big there, even though it's pretty still, but it gets bigger. Whereas with the fine thread you do, and look next to it when I put, they are much smaller and more delicate it is, and it will be even prettier. So every loop you go, and this is what you have to do. Now you'll go around. I'm going to cut this here. You'll go all around again, and when you reach here, again, you will continue just in the middle. This is, like I said, it's the most simple and easiest. And this is, like I said, save this design until you reach to the top that you want to stop. Because no matter how big you want to do, you can still do it over and over and over. Different designs. You can add as many designs you want, and you can make as big as you want. But, well, let's say that you made it so big and you're getting tired and you want to kind of finish it up, you can put this last design, just like around here, for example. This is the last one. Before last, you do that, you do the soldier, and then your closing you do. Or if you want, you can do this, and then you can do your closing. Let's say, again, I did this, and I went all around. I'm cutting it just because by the time I go round and round, it's going to take so much time. So let's say you came here and you did this about, maybe let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 layer or 6 layer. Don't make it too much because it won't look pretty. When you do a few layers, just like here, different design you see on my needle lace, it looks much prettier. But again, it's your choice, it's your taste. Whatever you like, you can do it. At the end, that you see this design here, at the end to look very pretty like this, then you can do the top. If you reach here, then you will do one small little seeds, and then you make another little seeds, which I have this design someplace, a few places, and then you go into the little one, you throw the front one on top, and you pull it, you go the same place, and you do just like this, and this will be like you're finishing. And then when you jump to the next, don't forget, you take the back part, you throw over, and then you make little seeds, baby seeds, like almost like you cannot see, blind, you cannot see the hole, that's what I want to say. You make a little bit bigger, you go in the same hole, you throw the front one on top, you go back, and you pull it to make it a little smaller. There you go. And then you make a little baby seeds, like hardly you see the holes, and then you jump to the next, and this will be like your finishing design. So, but like I said, this will be the most simple design for you at the end. So like you're finishing it, you want sometimes bigger thing to be finished, the needle lace, you know, faster, like you're like getting tired, which I never get tired, but this is like, it's an idea I'm giving it to you, that you can do this design, because it's bigger it gets, more design you do, it's more like you become anxious, like when I'm gonna finish it. So this is the beautiful design that you can do, simple and nice, and this will be on top of it. So now let me tell you this, if you go on my videos, there is next to it, it says channels, and when you push the channel, it shows for you the cooking, the art, the painting, construction, gardening, whatever, and you can push on your needle laces, and it comes, I'm not sure, maybe 50, 55, 60, I'm not sure how many designs I have. You can go and check it. My manager, he's doing it, so I don't pay too much attention to it. Sometimes I forget what did I teach you. So this is design it's gonna look. The design that I teach you, this will be just simple, big design, still it's beautiful. And at the end, always with my needle laces, I always have this design, or I have this kind of designs, like that mountain. I think I have different variety designs, but it will always look nice when it's showing out, like popping out the designs. All right, well, thank you for watching. It's very beautiful. Just keep busy and work and enjoy it. Be happy, become inspired. All right, thank you again. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.